knees, place the feet hip width apart, parallel to one another, and bring the hands behind your head, elbows on the floor. Imagine you are being lifted up from your chest. So as you exhale, it's as if you have a cord attached to your chest and someone's pulling it up. So you're not lifting the head necessarily. The head is attached to the neck and obviously attached to the shoulders and the frame, but you're not tilting the neck. So you're exhaling and lifting the chest up so the head will come off the floor, and then you inhale and lower that head down. In the same way, the elbows are staying in line with the ears. So you exhale and lift, exhale, and inhale, down, exhale, lift, inhale, down, exhale, lift, inhale, down, exhale, lift, inhale, down. Great. Okay, just draw those knees in, hands around those knees, and rock from side to side. Okay, back to center. Place the feet back on the mat, hip width apart, hands behind your head. We're going to work across the body now. So what you're going to do is you're going to exhale, starting by lifting the right knee and take the left elbow towards the right knee. And then inhale, lower down. We can be controlled through the breath with this. Now left leg, exhale, right elbow to left knee. Inhale. And exhale, right knee, left elbow. Inhale, down. Exhale, right elbow, left knee. Good. Inhale, 4 more. Exhale, left elbow, right knee. Inhale. Exhale, right elbow, left knee. Inhale. Exhale, left elbow, right knee. Inhale. Exhale, right elbow, left knee. And inhale, release. Bring the hands away from the back of the head. Again, draw those knees into the chest and just gently rock from side to side. Okay. Bring the body to stillness. Take the arms out to the side, maybe with the forearms bent if there's a limitation of space. So your fingers are pointing directly up, your elbows are level with the shoulders. And then you're going to take the knees so they're directly above the hips, and then you're lifting the ankles so that they are level with the knees. You're then going to exhale those knees to the right, to the floor, and look to the left. And inhale, up, bring the head to center. Exhale. Knees to the left, look to the right, squeezing those tummy muscles back. Inhale, back to center, head to center as well. And let's repeat that. Exhale, knees to the right. Strong tummies. Inhale, up. Exhale, left. Inhale, up. Again, exhale, right. Once more, inhale up and exhale over to the left with those knees and inhale up. Great. Can you just see if you can unfold those legs upwards towards the sky as straight as you can? And you're going to inhale, point the toes. Exhale, flex the feet. Inhale, point. Exhale, flex. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, tuning into the breath now. Exhale, great. Okay. From here, bring the hands behind your thighs And can you begin to rock backwards and forwards? Just allow the back to get a little massage on that floor. And then eventually we'll come up to sitting.